Hello everyone. Welcome to EA Home Design. Thanks for joining today's episode. We will know 5 best annual flowers and plants. What does annual plant mean? An annual plant completes its life cycle within 1 year, which means it does not return the next year. True annuals include flowers like zinnias, cosmos, larkspur, and most marigolds and sunflowers. Yet, often the line between annual versus perennial gets blurred, and we might cultivate a perennial as an annual for a variety of reasons. It might be tender, i.e. not cold hardy in our climate. The bulb might not store easily, or it otherwise loses its luster. Think pansies looking leggy and spent in the summer. But for the time we have it, it sure does put on a show. Here, we've included annuals in both camps. So let's start today's episode. Number 1. Zinnias. A true annual, zinnias are easy for beginners to grow from seed, and they reseed readily, making them a no-fuss bloomer for lazy gardeners. Plant zinnias in your butterfly garden, and the flowers will likely attract hummingbirds too. Available in an array of forms and vibrant hues, with sizes varying from petite dwarfs to towering stems that benefit from staking, this beloved annual deserves a spot in your cutting garden for flowers all summer long. Number 2. Petunias. Petunia, an annual flowering plant that produces profuse trumpet-shaped flowers. Beowulf design image. You can't go wrong with these fuss-free flowers for pots, containers, window boxes, hanging baskets, and garden beds. You can find them in beautiful pink, red, white, yellow and purple colors. Hybrid Supertunia Vista is a superstar that quickly fills in the gaps with loads of color. Number 3. Caladium. Annual plantings aren't all about the flowers. The pretty foliage of Caladium, boasting heart-shaped leaves with dark green borders and pales. Number 4. Blue Days, Evolvulus. Both drought and heat tolerant, this low-growing ground cover, also known as shaggy dwarf morning glory, offers charm in spades. It's as another favorite of McCurry's for annual plantings. Number 5. Begonia. These dainty flowers, which bloom in shades of white, pink, and red, require very little maintenance and upkeep, no deadheading or pruning required. When fall arrives, you can move them indoors or dig up their tubers to reuse for the following year. Today our episode so far. If you like our video, then please like, comment and subscribe. And Ye Home Design is always by your side to decorate your home and make any changes.